What's up guys, Corbin Kaiju Reviews, I'm Kaiju Corbin, and today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the SH Monster X. So for the box we got Monster X, it says Monster X, SH Monster Arts, Godzilla Final Wars, Tamashii Nation, all of that stuff, these stuff, top, Monster X, that, Monster X. On the back shows some poses that you can get him in and all of his glory and him and stuff we don't care about. Okay, so let's get him open. Where are my scissors go? Shing. Let's try to taking some time. There we go. Alright, the scissors are down. Reveal the package. Oh, nice, they gave me some stickers. That's, I'll definitely use this. I'll put it up there with my other stickers. I can already taste the glory of him. Look at this guy! There's boxes and boxes over there. Look at this guy! Sorry, that's some heaves. Make sure none of them. Okay, all of them right there. Put them over there. Look at him in all this glory. Alrighty. Alright. I'm excited for this figure. Ooh. Let's take these hands. Ow, they actually kind of look like hurt. I've been waiting for this guy for so long. What should I even grab? It's like, how? Take that out. Oh yeah. That's kind of a bit loose, but who cares? It's a little bit too loose, but I think I could fix it, maybe. It depends. There it goes, it pops up. It ain't broken. Thank goodness for that. There's a pile of boxes over here, so here's the tail. It's like a rubber kind of. I can see problems already, but not bad. Don't want to already break him. Does the head even articulate? I want to see where it can articulate. Oh, there we go. And then I break it. I'd be so mad. But it should come with stands for like the tail. Okay, this tail is gonna be a little bit of a problem, but no biggie. Yeah, it's gonna be a problem. Of course, it's my figure. Just looking at this guy, real nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab a stand real quick so I can support this guy. Which is really nice. Okay, I can see where, yeah, it's gonna become a huge problem. Yeah. Oh, got it right there. Just need to adjust it. Alright, he's ready. I guess let's just take a look at the hands real quick. Oh man, I didn't skip the box. Dang it. It's okay. So for the hands, it's basically a good, like, nice venom black with little bone coloring of white bone coloring. Like, it's like a silver actually. And then we have the main figure, which he's going to be permanently staying on his stand. If this tail would stay on. So let's try to pick him up without breaking him. So it's a nice, good figure, bone coloring white, and a lot of blacks. So let's take him off the stand real quick and show his articulation. So we'll start off the head. The head is like on a nice swivel ball joint. And then you got a hinge at the mouth, which is actually pretty nice. And these little heads right here, they're ball joints too, which I'd be very careful with that. Kind of looks like Titanic Creations right there with the little thing. This might be their experimental for that piece. And then you got a nice ball joint right there. Nice hinge. Then you got a nice ball joint right there. Which actually, this figure ain't that bad. It's just, this little tail is just a little bit of a problem. But it ain't really that bad. I say that and it breaks. I'd be so mad. And then you got, like, you can move. Okay, there we go. So that's on a ball joint. These are on a ball joint. Nice ball joint. Hinge at the knee. And then ball joint at the foot. And it looks like that for the foot. For tail, you got a nice ball joint. Ball joint, ball joint, ball joint. Let's put it down right there. Ball joint, ball. Sure, that's good right there. Ball joint, ball joint. So, really great figure, to be honest. So let's take in a closer look. So, for a closer look, you can see he has red eyes. His teeth are actually painted really nicely. Tongue painted. Actually, not mine, no painted tongue, but it's really nice. And then you got a bone color in white. But one concern, I'll be really careful with these. I could see those breaking. The skulls on the side, really nice, white. Red with red eyes. And it's really just a great figure. I really recommend it, right? It's just, I literally just had it for like 9 minutes and it's already great. And now why didn't it already open? Well, because I got it from my nannies today, and that's why. It will not stand for the tail. Come on, Master X, fight it. Yes, let's go. He stands. Let's go. Yes. I think I'm up there. My phone's been broke. But yeah, this tail is kind of a little bit problem, but it ain't like a big problem. But yes, I really like this figure. I could see him doing so much stuff. So, for the paint, it's actually really great. It shows mostly black, red, gray bone, like silver color. The hands, it's okay. I'm not really gonna mess with it right now because I literally just got out and I do not want to break it. So, and plus, I'm probably not gonna ever use these hands. So, I'm just gonna keep them in their glass case. So the head is very nice. Really like it. Just a lot of black, gray, white, silver. That's basically it. The arms right there kind of looks like pasta noodles. I don't know. Like, I'm just weird. But yeah, just gonna keep them on the stand for right now. This tail, it does not want to stay. Just stay. We got it to stay. Let's go. Then I now have to go back at it. Where was it? Okay. Popped out right. But for the close-up detail, it is really nice. I really like the chest section. I really like the arms, how it's really done. SH did a really great job with this figure. And they just really did a great job. Let me go get some figures so I can compare it to. Well, here's one I just did a review on. You guys are going to see this review first and then this review. So we got comparison like that. Instead of that. Actually, I might do a stop motion with them. Like if like Monster X went into their universe. Okay, so let me put him down and grab Mecha G 2021. I will do a review on him probably tomorrow. Nice comparison. Oh, what am I more? Well, actually, this is my most expensive. Yeah, this is my most expensive SH besides Hedora. Ooh. Yes, and yes, I do have him. But yes. Kevin. And then let me go to SH fireworks. And I do gotta say, this is my second. And you may be asking, why is it your second? This leg right here on my first, it snapped, broke. Yeah, sad days. But this one's a lot better articulation actually. I haven't played with him a lot because I literally just got him and I'm really careful with the legs. Tail is really nice. I'll do a review on him, but final words with SH, which I would put them together. I'd put all three together, in my opinion, just like that. So for the SH monster, it's really nice detail. I think it's the best as Final Wars they've done. But if they do Kaiser, I'd be getting him. So yes, I'm really excited. Christmas just passed. I'm really excited to show off a lot of figures like this guy. Also like these guys that I just showed off. And I will take a review on this guy. But I'm really excited that Christmas passed. Well, not really. I wish Christmas could stay forever. But I'm so glad that I got a lot of stuff for Christmas that I can do a review on and you guys can see. And also, this is going to be different to the channel, but I'm going to start making it more common to the channel. We're going to start making bootleg Godzilla figures into articulated ones. And you may be asking, don't you have the SH Ultima? Yes. Why do you want a possible one? Because I want to see how it goes. And first off, I don't really like swapping out the heads for the SH, so that's why. And plus, I want to see how EGM did it, so I'm gonna do it. And by the way, shout out to him. He's a really great YouTuber. Really recommend go check out his stuff. Really amazing stuff. He's basically my inspiration of stop motion. Really like it. And I really enjoy his Monster X. So that is it. That's gonna be it for today. If you would like to see more Godzilla stuff or other stuff that you would like to see, maybe. And I can't wait to get started on this guy. It's gonna be fun. Probably gonna start tonight or tomorrow morning. I don't know. Depends, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, everything, everything, everything. I've really enjoyed this figure, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.